In the last video, we learned that an LLM is just text in, text out. But here's the problem. If all it does is return text, it can't actually do anything. It can't search the web. It can't read your files. It can't send an email. That's where tools come in. A tool is just a function your agent can call. You define it, describe it, and pass it to the LLM. The LLM decides when to call it and what arguments to pass. Here's the flow. You ask the agent a question. The LLM reasons. Do I need a tool to answer this? If yes, it outputs a tool call with arguments. Your code runs the tool and passes the result back. The LLM reads the result and continues. That's the tool use loop. And it's the core of every agent. Common tools you'll use. Web search. The agent finds current information. File read and write. The agent can access your documents. Code execution. The agent can run Python. API calls. The agent can talk to any service. And here's the key insight. You define what tools the agent has access to. You're in control. The LLM just decides when to use them. Next video, memory. How do agents remember things across conversations?